Hello everyone, how are you? Studying at home? Okay. In the last period, we had seen the lesson Seeing Eyes and Helping Hands. What did we study in that lesson? We studied invitation card, notice, telephonic conversation between mother, father, and the son. Okay. Now we shall study English workshop today. Yes, we have finished lesson. Now today we shall study English workshop. Number one. This passage contains four different types of invitation. They are how many types are there of invitation? Four types are there. Number one, number A, formal invitation. Yes, we studied now on card. Then B, a notice. C, an oral invitation. Yes, who was inviting? Teacher was inviting to the news reader. Then we studied another oral invitation. Who was inviting? Son was inviting to mother and father. Okay. Now see, read each invitation carefully, keeping in mind the list of 8 questions given below. Read every invitation and 8 questions are given below. Note the answers in your notebook. Verify the formal invitation A covers all the 8 points. Verify all the conversations. 8 points are given here. And here chart is given. This chart. Okay, let us see. Afterwards, first of all, let us see the questions. Who is sending, giving the information? Second, what is the program? Write the answer. What is the name of the project? Who will inaugurate it? Who will preside over the function? What time will the function start? And where will it take place? Where will it take place means the venue. How many names get mentioned in the invitation? That you have to write. How many names are there? Then now see which of these 8 points are covered in the big invitation B, C and D. Put tick marks against the points that are covered. Now you have to put here tick marks. You can see here. This is the table. Got it? In this way you have to complete the activity. Now next question. B. Prepare a formal invitation for a function you have arranged at home. Formal invitation at your home you are arranging. Just you have to imagine. Now it should clearly state the following points. Which points you have to take in that invitation? Number one, who is inviting people to the function? Mention in that invitation. The date and time. A polite request means you have to request very politely to attend the function. What is the program? What is the program about? That also you have to mention. And the venue. Venue is the place where the function will take place. That also you have to mention. Now third question. Write an imaginary telephone conversation in which you invite your friend to above function. Write a telephonic conversation between you and your friend, and above function, whatever you are deciding about it, you have to talk your friend. You have to imagine and you have to write that conversation. Last question. Imagine someone has invited your family to a program and you were only person at home when the invitation was given orally. Imagine you are at home and you got invitation at home. You are only one person because mother, father, nobody is there. And how will you accept that that invitation? Orally you have to write a note. Write a note to pass on the message to the other people in your family, and write a note also. Or write in imaginary conversation in which you pass on the message to your parents, or either write a note or write in imaginary conversation in the form of message which will be given to your parents. Okay, these are the activities which are given in English workshop. You have to complete at your homework and you have to send me on WhatsApp. Okay, so till then, bye bye.